Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to understand what is HashMap, how to use standard collection library for HashMap, and we will see the best example to understand HashMap in Rust programming language. So what is HashMap? HashMap, just like in Java collection, we have the key value pair of information storing. Like we have dictionary in Python programming language and we have object in JavaScript programming language. Similar to that, we have a hash map. So how to use this, we are going to understand. So try to create the new project of video number 32. So I say here cargo new class number 32 of hash map. CD to this, again need to open this one. And what is hash map? The key value pair. And how to do in Rust? Just use std. We have to use first use std collections hash map like this. Going to use it, semicolon. Now I have to create here. So I say let s marks student marks like this of I say hash map type, and here you can specify the value also whatever you want, but I am not specifying this. I am saying here hash map new, like that we are going to use it. I can remove this from here, no need to pass this because it's an unknown value, but I can specify also if I want to specify. For example, suppose I want to use as a string, so I say string and string type, nothing special in it. There is a marks, so I can say I32 because I am taking a marks also. Now for that I need to as marks dot insert. Here I need to pass, so I say Rahul have 80% marks or 90% marks like this, and because it's we need to convert into string type this because it's a string. Remember, now I just take more input, so I say it is Amit 80% marks, and I say here Dr. Vipin like this 95% marks. Any value we can pass, it's not just, and we have to declare mutable also if we want to insert the value after that. Then we have to display this information. So first of all I try to display without anything, just I put like that if it is display. So I say s marks, try to execute it. Now I say cargo run, and you see that we have the information like that. But if we want to display individually by using for, so we can say for, and here I need a name, and then I need marks like this in s marks like this, and then I need to print it. So I say println, I say student name equal to and marks equal to, like that way I say name and mark, nothing special in it. Try to execute once again, and you see that we are having a value like this. So it is not a special one, it's just a simple one to display key and value pair. If I want to remove any value, for example I want to remove any value or I want to check the existence of any value, so I can say here that println, I say here is name exist, any student which we want to display if it is exist. So I say as marks dot contain key, and here I pass the value. Suppose I say Amit is available. If it is available it will show true, otherwise it will say false. Once again I try to execute. So I need to pass here reference because it's a ownership problem, we have to pass like this. Once again I try to execute. You see it's returning a true because Amit is exist, but if I say Amit Kumar is exist, so it will return false. You see it is returning a false. So we can check it is having or not. If you want to remove any value, so suppose I want to remove Amit from this, so I say as marks dot remove, and here I pass the key is Amit. So Amit I want to remove. It's very simple. So it will display only two values. So run it once again, and you see that Amit is gone, only this is available. And remember that they are not showing in a order in which we are inserting, but showing randomly also, because this is coming first, this is coming second. But this is not a matter, but the matter is that what is the use of HashMap. So HashMap we use to store information in a key and value pair, form of key and value, like we do in object in JavaScript, and HashMap same in Java, and dictionary in Python. So if you know other languages also, so we have a same kind of things available in Rust programming language also. So we have a remove, we have a contain key, we have a insert, and we have other methods also. If you will be comfortable to learn HashMap, so you can learn those methods also. And we have a other type of things also with HashMap, that is advanced one, that we can discuss in later videos when you will be familiar with Rust programming language. So I think you understand now how to use HashMap in Rust. If you like it, if you understand something from this video, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.